And thinking that we're rounding, but we have to find a balance. Okay, so you're going to start with your hands on your hips. So the legs, the container of the body hugs in. Okay, the sides of the body hug in. But from inside, we open into that container. It's kind of like you have a glass of water and you want to fill it up. But you don't want the water to spill out, so you don't want holes in it. It's like your outer ankles. You don't want to spill the water out, but you want to fill the cup. So the container has to stay strong, but the inside has to fill it. Okay? So the sides of the body are firm. And she gives a strong, strong lift here. Okay? So she's not just going to go like this with her pelvis. She's going to keep the legs working. And on an exhalation, put your hands on your blocks. And you're going to find a halfway position. So the halfway position, the two sides of the neck are long. The muscles at the base of the neck go down the back. Sides of the hips more a little. Tip up. And now use your hips to elongate your spine more. So you're not thumping. I want you to pull out of my hand. I want you to pull out of my hands this way. No. That's getting there. Yeah, it's getting there. There, it's getting there. So this is firm. This is doing down dog. And this is lengthening. And up you come. Now, when you sit there and you hold a pose, you don't sit there. That's death. It's like this thing continues to lengthen and lengthen. So if you're bored while we're holding, you gotta figure it out. Something's not quite dialed in. It's gotta be super alive. It's like it's continuously happening. Okay, let's do it.